Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing. Today I would like to talk to you about any of the surface finishing equipment that we can assist you with. But in addition to the surface finishing equipment, I would like to talk to you about add-on options. This is a very important recommendation for every order that you place. We like to recommend things like casters for being able to move your machine around. We like to recommend if you have ferrous material that may rust while you're blasting in the wet blasting cabinet, corrosion inhibitor is a great solution that's going to help you prevent anything from flash rusting. You have antimicrobial, which will help if you have your machine standing obviously in water for quite some time. It's going to prevent bacteria or an odor from building up. There's other things that you can add on, like a turntable. If your parts are really heavy, we have a Lazy Susan type turntable that you can put in your machine. You can also take it out whenever you don't need it, but it definitely helps to be able to blast 360. We have a solution called No-Pack. When you are not using your machine as often, No-Pack is really good to prevent your abrasive from clotting or from getting hard and hard packing in the bottom of the cabinet. So this is another consideration. If you have a smaller compressor, if these machines usually require 20 to 30 CFM, if you have a compressor that say is 5 horsepower and only puts out say 15 CFM, ask us about our airflow jet. We've got an airflow jet that will make a 15 CFM compressor more compatible. We've also got an airflow jet that will make a 5 CFM compressor more compatible. One of the things you may want to consider to keep your machine from being down, and this helps you keep it going, is to get an extra set of gloves. You may even want to get an extra window. This will prevent your machine from being down, and you can install the window whenever you're ready. Usually it's about 6 months to a year that you're going to start to notice scratches on your window, so having an extra one is definitely beneficial to keep you from being down. Now, if we can help you with any kind of sample testing, please make sure you give us a call, let us know. You can send us parts, we'll do some free sample testing. We'll give you the recommended pressures and abrasives to achieve the finish that you're looking for. If these are things that we can assist you with when you place your order, or if you already have a machine and you want to add these things, please give us a call at 828-202-5563, or you can purchase below and let us know how we can help. Thank you so much.